welcome to our science culminating project, our video on complete and incomplete combustion. Enjoy. Combustion is defined as the rapid reaction of a substance with oxygen to produce oxides and energy, but in reality, it's just fire. There are two types of combustion, complete combustion and incomplete combustion. The difference is what is produced. In complete combustion, it produces carbon dioxide, or CO2, as well as water, or H2O. These are the only two outcomes of the reaction between any kind of fuel and oxygen, or as we call it, combustion or fire, whatever you want to call it. The other type of combustion is incomplete combustion. As the name suggests, it doesn't burn all the fuel. So some of this fuel comes out as carbon monoxide, or CO, which is a poisonous gas to humans and the environment, but also plain old carbon, which can be solidified as soot. This is because the process of complete combustion consumes all available fuel, whereas incomplete combustion does not. This occurs when oxygen is limited and thus producing these extra substances. Here's a good example of what an incomplete combustion flame looks like. Don't try this at home.
In complete combustion, a fuel and oxygen react together to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. Now, in a chemical formula, this is what the reaction looks like. You have the ethane and the oxygen reacting together to yield to carbon dioxide and water. Now, that chemical equation doesn't come out perfect as is. So that is why you have to have a balanced chemical equation, which looks like this. Now, to balance the chemical equation, both sides of the yield have to equal the same parts. Now, in incomplete combustion, a fuel and oxygen react together to form carbon dioxide, water in the form of vapor, carbon and carbon monoxide. This is what the chemical equation looks like for incomplete combustion. In incomplete combustion, like complete combustion, both sides of the yield are shown. Now, like complete combustion, you must balance the equation. This is what the balanced equation would look like for ethane and oxygen reacting together to form carbon dioxide, water, carbon, and carbon monoxide.
The following is a series of tests that depict an incomplete combustion flame. The materials we use are rubbing alcohol, gasoline, and WD-40 as oil. A mixture of gasoline and oil. This is an example of complete combustion. As you can see, the blue flame is burning all oxygen and all fuel given to it.